go. Here we go. Traveling again. Traveling. Traveling. Oh, oh, bless your little heart. Still sleeping, Nana? Are you still sleeping, Nana? Uy. Lablaban ni Mama. Uy, kalablab dyan ni Mama ng baby. Uy, ang anak ni Mama nagkadi-kadi ka na. Nagmugot. Ito lang. Pauwi na. Tapos magpunta daw sa lulan niya. Pagdating namin, parang bihisan lang namin. Tapos punta na naman kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Alright.
Let me get a 3-piece batters, number 3. Is there any way you could just get fish only? I don't want no sides or anything.
Yeah, you can get the fish. 2 pieces. Sorry, 2 pieces is $4.99, and then you can get 1 piece by itself for $2.49.
What, $2.49 for 1 piece?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me just get give me that 3-piece then.
The 3-piece dinner?
Yes.
Okay. What 2 sides, thank you?
Coleslaw, green beans.
Anything else?
That'll be all.
$9.84, thank you.
Hell, it come out to about the same, you know. Time he like, oh, you get this, then you get an extra piece for $3. Well, that's already up to $8.
Yeah. Dito kami sa Captain Days, bumili siya ng fish. Ayaw niya yung chicken wings, hindi niya nagustuhan. So, dito kami ngayon na drive-thru. Yan, nag-drive-thru siya. Yan din. Diyan din, gusto ko din kumain dyan. Pero yung gusto ko lang dyan, nakalimutan ko na yung mga gusto kong kainin. Kasi halos simula itong pandemic na to, hindi na ako nakakain sa labas. Lord. Nakalimutan ko na talaga. Roast beef.
Tartar's fine.
Yan, gusto ko.
You have hot sauce?
Roast beef.
Can I get both, please?
Popeyes. See you again later, guys.